Hello, welcome back to our channel.
Welcome back. Our packing channel.
Our packing channel. It's not a packing channel. Our packing vlog. Anyways, we wanted to share what we packed for our 1 month long trip in Europe with a toddler. Toddler is over here. She does not want to participate. She just discovered the wonderful world of iPad games. So she's a little distracted right now. But anyways, we are actually 1 week into our trip. So kind of weird that we are doing the packing vlog now. We didn't have time to do it before we left, but we realized this is actually better because now we can talk about what we wish we didn't bring and then also what we wish we actually brought. So I'm gonna go over what bags we have, the little tips and tricks that we've used to pack more efficiently, or what we've brought for Jade that has been really helpful so far. But yeah, I will list the important products down below so you can shop them if you're interested. But yeah, let me know what you think.
Let's go. Let's check it out.
Okay, so right now we kind of have everything spread all around the room, but I'll show you the bags that we have. So we have 2 rolly suitcases. These are both carry-ons. Bryant, do we ever check bags?
Never, ever check bags.
When we have 2 kids, we might have to check a bag, but
Especially now in Europe where everyone's losing bags, it's really easy to just have carry-ons. So yeah, we have 2 roller carry-ons, and then our 3rd carry-on is my backpack, the Toiletries backpack, and I've used it for like 6 years now. It's awesome.
and then we use this kind of as like a camera diaper bag, and then sometimes just to have diapers and stuff handy, we've just used like a little bag like this.
That, and then my personal one, this has all my important like passports and money and chargers and just like my personal fanny pack.
We're gonna show you how we do the clothes first. Okay, so these bags are a game changer. They're from Target. These are the ones that don't need a vacuum, so they're perfect for travel. So basically you put your stuff in there. This is just swimsuits, so that's why it's bunched up. Normally I like to like fold things flat, but you just put it all in there and then you seal it. And then you roll it like this. And you just push all the air out. And it is such a space saver. Like, we are able to pack a million more clothes because of these bags, I feel like. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and do that for all of our clothes and then see kind of how they fit together. So yeah, when it's done, it's all compressed like this and can just like lay really flat and fit a lot better.
Saves tons of space.
It all sounds a little sick to me.
Don't listen to my music. Don't lie in my bed. Don't listen to the references to things you might have actually said. 'Cause those are my words, not yours. As far as I'm concerned, it could have been a lot worse. I wasn't trying to avoid the confrontation. She isn't crying, she's just making conversation.
Okay. Alrighty. All of our clothes are packed in there. Do you see how that giant pile of clothes became much smaller, much more manageable? So I think Bryant puts Jade and his clothes in there, and I think my clothes fit in one of these. So we're gonna do that.
There you go. All of my clothes and Jade's clothes easily fit in my backpack.
So all my stuff fits in here. It's like crazy. If I tried to pack this amount of clothes without using one of these bags, there's no way. Also, yes, it does make your clothes a little bit wrinkly, but what I do is when I first get to the hotel, I hang up all the stuff that I want to keep nice, like right away. And then also something I noticed that helped is I ironed things before I packed them, before we left on our trip, and I feel like that has helped a little bit too. But I guess if you have room, you could always pack a steamer. Okay, so we packed all of our clothes. This bag, I'm gonna have like our cosmetics, all that good stuff. We're gonna pack all that in there. So for this bag, I like to use these packing cubes. I got them on Amazon. Not only does it help with like keeping your packing organized, I feel like it helps if you have to live out of a suitcase because you can just find things really easily and you don't have to like unpack your bag every time. Because for us, there's some places where we're staying for a full week and then there's some places where we're staying just a day. And I feel like if you're staying for just one day, then you don't want to unpack everything. Anyways, these packing cubes are really, really nice. I kind of have things just organized like hair stuff, skincare, and my contacts. I also bought these like silicone reusable shampoo bottles, and I like these because before I've gotten like just the plastic ones, and not only do they get crappy really fast, I feel like they take up space even when they're empty. So these These are nice because they flatten out when they're empty, and I feel like they just hold a lot more. I got some for shampoo and face wash, all that good stuff. And then I have my makeup bag. We got one little thin beach towel just because we're gonna be at the beach a lot. Hat, pack that down flat. We did bring some laundry detergent sheets to use so that we can do laundry in our sink if we need to. We have been able to find a laundromat, but sometimes we don't have time for that. Especially with a toddler, I feel like that's just necessary. Okay, so I decided to go with a straightener. I really wanted to bring my Dyson, but I didn't have room for it. So a straightener, I feel like I can be a little more versatile with my hairstyles. And then this is what I keep all my jewelry in. This is from Made by Mary. Okay, it's a little unorganized, but I can keep like my necklaces and rings and stuff in there. And then I think that's like the bulk of what goes in here, but because there's still room, we'll probably end up packing other things in here. So now we're gonna pack the green bag.
Okay, so this is how we kind of pack our personal bag, our camera / diaper bag. This bag has a little compartment for our camera and our camcorder, and this is our Actis Go iPhone case.
It's for shooting underwater.
Underwater stuff. To fill some padding, we just do diapers and wipes. Kind of dual purpose. And then the top we can do our cords, chargers, hard drive, AirPods, kind of easily accessible stuff that we need. And then also on the top we do her sound machine, which is nice and portable. Also Jade's cool headphones. Check them out. In this outside pocket, just kind of all the extra stuff. Glasses, Jade's toys, horse, some hand sanitizer, eye mask, some melatonins. They just fit all nice in there. Water bottle, side. And then in the back is where we keep the laptop and iPad, but Jade has an iPad right now. It goes right there, super easy. And that's our personal bag.
And how heavy is this personal bag?
This one can get really heavy because the other bags you need to keep under 22 pounds. This one they've never checked, but you can just load it as heavy as you want.
Yeah, I feel like the camera and laptop just make it super heavy.
This is the Lily baby carrier that we use. You can roll it up and I fit it in my carry-on backpack.
It's the best baby carrier ever.
Anything else? Put my fanny pack, keys, passports, money, and then this is usually full with more diapers and wipes and snacks for Jade on the go.
That's kind of just like our easily accessible bag.
And then the last thing, which usually fits in the suitcase, is Jade's portable bed. I'm not going to deflate it right now because she's using it, but it's kind of cool because when it's flat, there's a pump built up inside that you just do this. You like pump it up and it pumps up like that.
And she actually likes it.
Yeah, it's super comfy. It has these bumpers so she doesn't roll off. And then when you're done, you can deflate it and roll it up and it fits in this little compressible bag.
And then we just stick that on top. Okay, so do you want to finish packing this bag? Because we have some extra stuff.
Extra stuff, we have our masks, we usually put in outside pockets.
Jade just playing with a belt.
And then we have her floaties that can squeeze down a little more. We'll do that later.
We did inflatable floaties because her floaties at home won't pack down.
And then we have her blanket. Other than that, that's pretty much it.
So these shoes, I always, as a rule, try to wear like my biggest, bulkiest shoes on the flight. And then we still have these shoes. So I brought one pair of sandals and then one pair of tennis shoes. And so these just fit in here. Yeah, is that pretty much it?
Pretty much it.
Okay, so is there anything you wish we didn't bring? Like something that ended up not being as useful as you thought?
Packed pretty minimally. So the only thing is you probably brought too many clothes.
No, I honestly didn't bring enough because every day I'm like, wait, what should I wear? It's kind of hard being pregnant, honestly, because I feel like every day kind of changes what fits and what doesn't. I would say my only thing that I regret bringing, I kind of regret bringing my shoes. Not that they're not good shoes, but I haven't broken them in, so I've gotten blisters. So I kind of wish I would have like picked a sandal that was maybe just a little easier to walk in. As far as what I wish we brought, is there anything that we kind of forgot or like wish that we brought? Because here's the thing, we were like really strict on the weight because we didn't want them to not let us take anything because of the weight. And then we went through 3 flights and no one weighed our luggage once. And so I feel like maybe there's a couple things I could have brought. Like there was one skirt I really wanted to bring. It didn't fit with the weight.
But there's always that chance that they can weigh it and
But I've never had them weigh my carry-on, but Bryant's a rule follower with that kind of stuff.
I just don't want them to. I hate having to take out everything in the airport and juggle it around.
Yeah.
I'd rather be safe. I'm sorry.
I think the only thing I really wish I brought is I really wish I could have brought my Dyson. I think like now looking back, I probably could have made it fit, just because half the time I feel like I kind of have raggedy hair because I just can't really fix it without like my round brush. I don't know. I feel like I got a good hair routine going and I can't really do it here. My thing is like, how do people look good on long trips? Like, I don't know, because I feel like I have wrinkly clothes and don't have all my stuff and somehow I'm trying to look good in photos, but it is what it is.
We're only a week into it and we look ratchet.
Then the only other thing, it's kind of like small and dumb, but I like don't have an adapter to plug in my phone straight into my laptop. We got a new laptop and it doesn't have like a USB cord plug-in, so I wish I would have gotten an adapter for it, so we kind of have to like be janky with that. I think that's pretty much it. Like if I had an extra suitcase, I would probably just bring extra clothes, my Dyson, more skincare stuff, but overall I think we packed really good and like really efficiently, and luckily because it's Europe we can mostly buy whatever we need, I would say. But yeah, that is pretty much it. If you have any questions about what we brought, let me know down below. I'll try to like list as many products as I can so that you can check them out if there's something that like stood out to you. Stay tuned. We have lots of travel vlogs coming. We're doing a vlog for every country that we're visiting, and so you can follow along with us and kind of just experience the adventure. Let's see if Jade wants to say anything. Jade, can you say hola? Okay, I guess not. All right, well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe because we're cute.
We are cute sometimes.
Good. Okay, bye.